Good morning, children. Children, today I am going to teach you value education for class 6 student. I will teach lesson 2. Lesson 2 is concentration. Now I will start with the lesson. Ajay, which book do you have to take tomorrow for the maths class? Asked his mother. I think the activity book, Ma, he replied. You think? What do you mean? You think? His mother said, getting angry. Did not listen to your teacher when she was giving instruction in class? Ajay had indeed not been listening his teacher. Ajay, who was not interested in listening what the teacher was telling in the class. Generally teachers give instruction about the subject, but Ajay, as he was not interested about that subject, so he did not listen to what the teacher told. By this, his mother got angry on him as he was not knowing which subject he has to take that day. He was just not interested in the subject mathematics. He found it difficult and very boring. As he was not interested in maths, so he was not interested to listen what the maths teacher told in the class. Oh my God, said his mother, looking at the work he had done in his notebook. The teacher had given an incomplete note on each page. Ajay, said his mother, exasperated, when will you learn to concentrate? When Ajay's mother saw the notebook, she found in every page of his notebook there is a comment written incomplete by the mathematics teacher. So Ajay's mother got exasperated, means you can see exasperated means in anger, means his mother got angry on Ajay by seeing the comment on the book which was given by his math teacher. Ajay's elder sister was at home and could not but help over here. As Ajay was having an elder sister, but she also could not help him regarding this. The conversation between mother and Ajay. When Ajay left the room, she went up to her and said, Ma, Ajay is not concentrating on the subject as he is not interested in it. When Ajay went out of the room, Ajay's sister went to her mother and complained about his brother Ajay that he is not interested about the subject, so he is not giving any type of concentration while he is doing maths. What? Not interested? He goes to the best school in the city, Dia, said her mother. Still, Ma, remember how I loved mathematics because I understood what the teacher taught. Her mother got angry by listening that Ajay have no interest about the subject. So Dia told to her mother that she was having a lot of interest about mathematics while she was in the school, so she used to do better in mathematics as she used to listen what her teacher used to teach him in the her in the class. So the teacher, I listened to her with concentration. She used to listen to her math teacher with full concentration, so she used to found very interesting about this subject mathematics. He that maybe that is not the case with Ajay and he is giving up. Dia told Ajay doesn't find any interest in this subject, so he never give any sort of concentration while doing maths. If that is the case, Dia, you have to break from your college. You must help your brother, dear, develop interest in him for the subject so that he concentrates and does his work properly. Then Dia's mother gave the responsibility to Dia that she should take some leave from the college and be with his younger brother Ajay to bring some interest regarding this math subject and how to improve the concentration level while doing any type of studies regarding any subject. Dia got about doing as her mother wanted. She took out the abacus that had helped her practice mental math. When she was in school like Ajay, she recalled all the activities that her mother, math teacher, had used with them and used them on Ajay. She spoke clearly and slowly to Ajay about theorem and waited for him to grasp them. While teaching his brother Ajay, Dia also followed the same process which her math teacher used to do while he used to teach Dia. He used to teach everything in detail. He used to explain every theorem about math and waited for his brother to reply what he understood by her sister's teaching. You can see practice mental. Practice mental means doing something with brain, not physically. Doing something with brain, not physically. And theorem means a rule, any rule or principle of doing any sort of math. Slowly and steadily, Ajay began to find math simpler and started to show interest in the subject. He learned the importance of concentration. He did not run to the door to see who had come to rush to pick the phone when he was studying. Now, slowly and slowly, Ajay find lot of interest regarding math. Now, he never used to run after listening the phone call which he used to do before. Now he used to sit quietly with full concentration while doing maths as he is finding some interest in this subject. He was able to focus his attention on the task at hand. He completed his work in time and never again did his mother have to say to him, "Concentrate, Ajay, concentrate on what your teacher says." Now, whatever task he was given, he used to do in time and he used to give a lot of time doing the math. Now, there was no such complaint from Ajay's mother to Ajay to concentrate in the subject or the thing what the teacher used to say in the class. Thank you, dear sister. Now Ajay thanks his sister. Ajay said to Diya when she was leaving for hostel. Now, when Ajay's sister helped him regarding improving his concentration and uh, interest in the subject, Ajay thanked his sister Diya for helping him out of this problem while she was going back to her hostel. Children, this is the story I have explained you line by line. You can read once again at home to get thorough. Thank you children for listening the story. Goodbye.